Again, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome po sa ating book study or tinatawag po ito na financial literacy class. So yung ating ituturo sa ating class ngayong gabi, galing po sa librong ito, The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future. Now, if you don't have a copy of this book yet, you may ask the person who invited you na bigyan ka ng ebook copy, and we do also have printed copies available for sale. No, just ask the person who invited you. So ngayon po, ipipick up natin yung mga pinaka-importanting information from this book, and isi-share natin po sa ating class po ngayong gabi. So to introduce myself, I'll be the educator for this evening. Tayo po yung naatasan na mag-conduct ng financial literacy class. My name is Rose Sardido. I'm an associate financial planner po from the Registered Financial Planners of the Philippines. And I am also a life licensed underwriter and EVC of IMG. So I've been part of this amazing community since year 2014. So running 10 years na po tayong financial educator IMG campaigner full-time dito sa IMG. And currently our organization is already at 5,000 financial literacy advocates. So doing the mission, sharing financial education to everyone, to every Filipino, regardless of background, na wala tayong pinipili kung sino yung masisharean natin ng ating financial education. Before doing this campaign, I was an employee before, graphic designer po tayo, pero ngayon po, I already fired my boss and now full-time dito sa IMG. And if you want to check out on my advocacy and social media pages, you may scan the QR code na nakikita natin sa screen that would take you to our link bio, wherein you can get more info about what we do about our advocacy dito sa ating community. So, bakit po ba ginagawa natin yung financial literacy class ngayong gabi? Naaayon po ito sa aming mission and advocacy. Tinatawag po ito na Financial Education Movement 30M 2030. So 30 million, hindi po ito cash, but number of people na maabot ng ating kampanya ng edukasyong pinansyal by year 2030. So as of now, na ano pa lang tayo, 2023, we already reached 9.5 million Filipinos. No? We do it every day, big crowds, small events, house to house, online, offline, in our office, and whatever way possible na kaya namin i-share yung aming campaign, ginagawa natin to every day. At sa lahat po ng naaabot ng ating campaign, binibilang po natin yan dito sa aming counter. And of course, thank you for watching or tuning in to this class, kasi po isa ka na sa mga recipient na aming campaign, and you are a different breed of an individual, kasi po maraming in-invite po dito, pero the mere fact na nandito kayo ngayon, so meaning you are concerned, no, about your financial future and you want it to become better. So that's why congratulations for that. And as a token of gratitude, no, mamimigay po tayo ng mga libreng giveaways para sa lahat ng mga attendees po ngayon. Mamimigay tayo ng free ebook ng librong ito, and you can also be covered with personal accident insurance worth 20,000 through our campaign and protect. Sa lahat ng na-campaign namin, we will protect through this free insurance. So to claim your freebies, you may ask the person who invited you and give your email address to receive the link, of that free giveaway. So dapat maging masaya tayo at magpasalamat kasi po na-invite tayo sa kampanyang ito, kasi 10 years ago also, I was also like you, no, na-invite lang din po sa isang financial class, and the rest was history. Financial education really changed a lot of lives, including my life. That's why marami po tayong mga kasama na naniniwala sa ating campaign. No, nandito po si Senator Raffy Tulfo. He is the ambassador of the IMG community sa pagsusulong ng financial education po. Bakit po? Kasi kadalasan daw po sa mga conflict na kanyang niresolba sa kanyang show, no, sa Tulfo, related sa pera, yung mga cause of broken relationships, mga away, mga conflict within the family. Kaya sa tingin po ni Senator Raffy Tulfo, napaka-importante ng financial education. So that's why you can see hawak niya yung libro, no, together with Corina Sanchez Rojas, no, also one of our advocates of financial literacy. Daniel Padilla also advocates on financial education through our partner company, believing the importance of healthcare, no, sa bawat Pilipino. Kasi nga po, yung pagkakasakit, no, yan po yung number one cause ng personal bankruptcy. Boy Abunda also is one of our ambassadors of financial education, together with Brother Bo Sanchez, no. Si Brother Bo Sanchez is spiritual preacher, but he believed in financial abundance. We need to be blessed, no, in order to bless other people, not only for ourselves, no, kasi hindi tayo makakatulong sa iba kung tayo mismo we have financial challenges. So that's why we need to be financially educated, become source of blessing, no, to our co-Filipinos or loved ones or friends or family. Kaya po na launch itong kampanyang edukasyong pinansyal. And maraming salamat nga po sa pag-tune in, pag-attend or pagpanood ng ating video po ngayong gabi. And of course, no, bakit nga ba nasulong itong financial education? Kasi meron tayong nakitang mga challenges na kailangan nating pagtuunan ng pansin. This according to the book, we encounter challenging future. Sabi nga dito, a large number of Filipinos will face increasing challenges in 4 major areas. So number 1, uncertain labor market. So in other words, walang kasiguruhan yung ating trabaho, no? Walang stable job. Posible na yung ating business ngayon malakas pero darating yung time na baka biglang mag-bankrupt or humina yung ating mga negosyo. Evident po yan during the pandemic, no, wherein a lot of people suffered financial setbacks, no, in their careers, in their businesses. And based on statistics, a lot of Filipinos only depend on one single source of income. Kaya yung IMG, no, na nagtuturo about having multiple sources of income sa bawat Pilipino. Kaya isa din po yan sa ating advocacy. Pangalawa, maraming Pilipino low savings, maraming utang, di ba po? So at saka yung mga utang, malalaki yung interest, no? Filipinos tend to ignore yung compounding interest, kaya kahit magkanong interest dyan, basta makautang ako, di ba? So, kaya kailangan natin i-educate, no, about how to manage debt, how to eliminate debts, kasi alam natin po na yung buhay na walang utang, no, mas maganda talaga sa buhay na maraming utang, of course, no? So mas meron tayong peace of mind, mas less yung ating stress, kaya we also teach people to manage their debts. Number 3, challenge high cost of education. So maraming mga Pilipino na nahihirapan paaralin yung kanilang mga anak kasi po college tuition fee doubles every 5 to 8 years, no? So kailangan talaga natin yung paghandaan, not only tuition fee but yung mga school supplies, yung mga projects, yung mga kailanganin sa school, no? So related on the increasing cost of living. So napaka-trending po ngayon na napakamahal na po ng kilo ng bigas, kaya kailangan talaga natin ma-outpace yung inflation. And of course, ang pagtaas ng sweldo, hindi na nakakahabol sa pagtaas ng presyo ng bilihin. So, kailangan natin matuto ng mga ways in order to change, no, or win in the money game. Kasi kapag hindi natin nagawa ng paraan yan, so masasali tayo sa statistics na ito, no, from the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Sabi po ni Sir Benjamin Jokno, 80% of the senior citizens nag-retire po na walang sapat na retirement savings, no? Imagine for their entire lives na nagtrabaho po sila, pag-retire po parang hindi nakapag-prepare, hindi man lang nakapagpundar ng retirement, which is a sad reality. Kaya if ever hindi pa tayo nagre-retire ngayon, kailangan tayong gumawa ng paraan na ma-solve or maharapin lahat ng mga challenges na ito para po magkaroon tayo ng more comfortable retirement. And we believe that the solution to financial challenges, we don't really offer short-term solutions kasi kadalasan ng mga offer ng gobyerno, ng mga anong tawag mo ito, ng mga kaibigan natin kapag nag-struggle tayo financially short-term, di ba? Nagbibigay tayo ng ayuda, nagpapautang tayo, pero po, of course, no, short-term lang kasi hindi naman nasusolve yung root cause kung bakit na nag-struggle financially in the first place. So that's why po, yung long-term na solution is financial education. Sabi nga nila, let's give people fish directly. We only feed them for a day, but if we teach people how to fish, we feed them for a lifetime. That's why ngayong gabi po, your financial literacy journey starts today because we will be sharing to you 3 powerful concepts that would change your life because it worked for us. It may work for you too, for your family, for your loved ones. So introducing to you our financial concept. Let's start with concept number 1, X-curve concept. So from the letter na X, meron tayong dalawang linya dito na nakikita na nag-cross. Etong green line going up, ito po yung line, money line, linya ng pera. Red line going down, responsibility line. According to the X-curve, dapat ano yan, nag-cross po yan. So in other words, the more money that we have, the less responsibility that we have. Diba po? Kasi, for example, nakapag nakapag-aral tayo, nakapag-prepare tayo ng pagpaaral sa anak natin, so lesser responsibility. Nakapagtayo tayo ng bahay, lesser responsibility. And then, marami tayong naipon na, so less, zero responsibility. And there's another line down below, timeline, young age up to old age. So according to the book, we only have 40 average as years na productive po tayo kasi we start working at age 20, right? And then, nagtrabaho tayo, we retire at age 60. So within that year's timeline, kailangan yung money line natin mag-increase. Paano po ba mangyayari yon? Have multiple sources of income, save and invest, convert active income into passive income, so that if we have enough savings and investments, we can retire. Now, retirement has nothing to do with age. We can retire at age 50 or 40. We can retire earlier. Marami tayong millions in savings. However, a lot of people cannot retire yet, no? Even if 70 anyos na sila, 80 anyos, nagtatrabaho pa din kasi yung money line at responsibility line nila, instead na mag-X, nag-parallel lang. So, tumandang walang pera. So, yan, mas sad reality. So, kailangan talaga nating maging aware with regards to pag-manage ng ating finances. Itong X-curve naman po is parang awareness lang po ito sa gagawin natin with our financial decisions. However, hindi naman natin mapapredict yung kapalaran po natin. No? There are only two what-ifs in life. Number one, what if we die too soon? No? Like, kinuha tayo ni Lord, no? Early. Tapos kadalasan, if we die too soon early, we're not ready yet. Bakit? Kasi wala pa tayong masyadong naipon na pera, mataas yung responsibility natin. For example, meron pa tayong mga anak na pinapaaral or nagsusupport pa tayo ng mga kapatid, ng parents natin, high responsibility. So, hindi pa tayo ready, no? Kasi kapag nawala tayo sa mundo, tapos wala tayong perang naiwan, no, kawawa yung family na maiiwan po natin. So, that's why the financial solution in case we die too soon is to have insurance, because life insurance would catch the responsibility in case na kinuha tayo ni Lord early, no? So, IMG, we're not an insurance company, but we believe that that's the only financial solution in case a person dies too soon for his or her family na not suffer with the loss, no, the sudden loss, the sudden sudden death ng breadwinner ng family. So yan. And of course, no, dahil ikalawang what if we live too long, no? Good news po ba yan or bad news? Of course, it's good news, pero merong bad news kaunti. Kasi what if mahaba pa yung buhay natin, tapos wala tayong perang naipon na magiging pabigat po tayo sa ating family, no? Especially during old age, wala na tayong income, tapos magiging mataas na yung ating cost of living kasi po nagkakasakit na tayo. So kaya kailangan, when the income stop, we have enough investments na nag-i-interest, we'll be living in interest. So in other words, kahit hindi tayo nag-work, meron pa yung perang pumapasok sa atin. So example, pension, marami tayong napundar na mga assets, no, na nag-generate ng income. So that's what we need during old age. And of course, long-term health care. We need hospitalization coverage during old age kasi po magkakasakit na tayo ng mga possible dreaded illnesses na hindi natin na-experience ng bata pa tayo. So that's why we need to be prepared for that, because whether we like it or not, no, kailangan talaga nating suportahan yung ating sarili. No? Sabi nga nila, kapag tumanda na tayo, of course, minsan our family will take care of us. But what if hindi kaya ng family na i-take care tayo? So yung kakampi lang natin during old age is our money. So that's why we need to prepare in case we live too long. So increase our money line as time go by. So this is the X-curve concept. Parang po itong wake-up call sa atin. Kumusta po yung ating financial situation as of now, no? So nag-X na ba yung ating X-curve, or ano pa tayo, nagbe-build pa lang, or matanda na tayo, wala pa tayong ipon. So don't worry, hindi pa huli ang lahat. So, ang kailangan lang natin gawin, desisyonan po natin na ipa-increase yung ating money line. So para matulungan po tayo na ma-increase yung ating money line, kailangan natin matuto etong pangalawang concept tinatawag na how money works. There are two ways, no, about money. Number one, we work for money. That's why active income, we work, no, may sweldo. Kapag nag-absent, walang sweldo, no work, no pay. So that's active income. We work for money. However, money can work for us, passive income, through this concept of compounding interest, no? So nakikita natin dito interest, term na interest, no? So tubo, 'di ba? So every time money moves, nag-i-involve po siya ng interest po. Tama? So, kapag nag-save tayo sa bangko or sa cooperative, merong interest yan. So, it's a double-edged sword. Kasi po, kapag nangutang din po tayo, meron din pong interest. So, kapag nag-save tayo, may interest, so dadami yung savings natin. However, kapag nangutang po tayo tapos may interest din, dadami din yung utang natin. So, that's why we need to make compounding interest work in our favor through saving and investing. So, kasi po yung interest na yan over long term, very powerful kasi nagko-compound po siya. So, ano ba yung term na compounding? No? So, dumodoble, rumorolyo, nanganganak yung pera natin. So, that's what we call compounding. And over long term, napakalaking impact po yan sa ating financial life. And to compute when the interest rate compounds or kung kailan magdodoble yung ating pera, meron po rule of 72 po dito na ginawa ni Albert Einstein. Sabi niya, itong rule of 72 is to compute compounding interest. So, paano ba tong formula na ito nag-work? Ganito lang po. Use 72 as constant number divided by interest rate. No? Malalaman natin kailan magdodoble yung pera natin. They're very simple. Again, 72 divided by interest rate, number of years it will take for our money to double, right? So, kadalasan na nilalagay ng Pinoy yung kanyang ipon sa bangko, which is 1% and below per year. Now, if we apply rule of 72, 72 divided by 1 equals 72 years. So therefore, it will take 72 years for our money to double at 1%. So napakatagal pala, di ba? So that is why we need to look for better alternatives to put our money. And of course, we need to be careful kasi minsan yung mga savings, ano na yan, yung nag-offer ng malalaking interest, baka too good to be true, baka scam po. Kasi marami nang pong nag-offer na double your money in months and double your money in 3 months. So that's too good to be true. Stay away from get rich quick scheme. Kasi po kadalasan sa mga legit na mga nag-o-offer ng mga investment institutions, yearly po yan or annual interest. So for example, 4% a year, that's legal. No? 72 divided by 4, let's apply a rule of 72. 72 divided by 4 equals 18. Money doubles every 18 years. Example, merong age 20, meron siyang savings na 100,000, nilagay niya sa 4%. After 18 years, which is 38 years old siya, yung kanyang pera dumoble, naging 200,000. And then another 18 years, yung kanyang savings again dumoble, naging 400,000. As you notice, the next time po na nag-compound yung kanyang pera, hindi na yung principal amount na 100 yung basis, kundi ito na pong interest with the interest. May yung interest with interest, yun yung ininteresan, kaya nagko-compound siya habang tumatagal, lalong lumalaki yung ating savings. Applicable din po ito sa utang, no? For example, credit card, no? If hindi natin nabayaran yung ating bill the previous month, our bill this month would carry over the amount with interest from the previous month. So that is why pag nag-ipon po tayo, hanap tayo ng investment institution na nag-offer ng malaking interest para mabilis dumoble yung ating ipon. Pero kapag nangutang naman po tayo, hanap tayo ng maliit na interest na lending institution para po matagal dumoble yung ating savings. But sad reality po, kadalasan sa mga nagpapautang, monthly yung interest, pero yung ipon natin, yearly yung tubo. Kaya lugi tayo dyan. No? So that's why we need to understand how it works. No? So example, 8%, 72 divided by 8 equals 9. Money doubles every 9 years. So age 20, it doubles every 9 years. Age 56, 1.6 million, right? If you notice, times 4 yung parang na-compound, ano siya, 4 na beses na dumoble yung pera at 8%. Now, how much more if 12%? Now, this is the highest and most sustainable so far. 12%. 72 divided by 12 equals 6. Money double every 6 years. So, same age, same amount of money. So, as you notice, guys, no? Same lang sila ng edad nag-umpisang mag-ipon, 20 years old. Right? Same lang din sila ng starting savings, which is 100,000. Same lang din sila ng retirement age, 56. The only difference is kung saan nila nilagay yung pera. Ito 4%, 8%, and 12%. But during retirement, ito sa 12% yung pera dumoble, naging 16 times siya nag-compound, 6.4 million. Imagine that, no? So example, nilagay natin yung pera natin sa bangko, time deposit. Example, no? Bakit nga ba nilalock up yung pera natin sa time deposit? Hindi natin pwedeng kunin, hindi natin pwedeng i-withdraw. Kasi po, after natin ilagay yung pera dyan, pagtalikod ng depositor, they will reinvest our money here sa 12%. By the time we retire, we are so happy na yung pera natin naging 400, pero hindi natin alam, kumita pala siya ng 6 million, 6.4 million. So that's the cost of financial education. Bakit yung mayayaman lalong yung mayaman, yung mahirap, mahirap pa din kasi they know something that we don't know. Now, we need to, if we want to maximize these opportunities, we really need to be financially educated kasi financial ignorance is costly. Now, if we ask the question, Ma'am Rose, saan po ba yung mga 12% na yan? So, yung kadalasan nag-offer ng mga 12% na ito offers real businesses, no? So, if you heard about stock market or mutual fund investments, no, bakit nakakapagbigay itong mga company na ito ng mga malalaking interest, 8 to 12%? Kasi po, if kilala natin itong mga companies na ito po yung mga blue chip companies ng Pilipinas, no? Na yung top performing corporation, so dyan po nilalagay yung pera natin. Kapag nag-profit yung kanilang mga businesses, bibigyan tayo ng share. So that's why we are being called a shareholder or stockholder. So there are two ways in investing in stocks, no? Pwede po tayong mag-direct investing, meaning tayo mismo yung mag-buy and sell, pero if kulang tayo sa kaalaman, kulang tayo sa oras, kulang tayo sa, anong tawag mo ito, sa pera din, no? So, medyo risky din yung pag-i-invest sa stock market kasi ano siya, fluctuating. However, we can still invest in the stock market through mutual funds. So, paano po ba yan tayo to as an investor? From different people pool their money, parang nilagay siya sa isang pool, and then meron tayong expert na fund manager. No? Itong fund manager, pawang professional po ito. So siya po yung bahalang pipili at sa study sa mga companies na ito, sino yun dito yung sa tingin niya na magiging maganda yung takbo ng business. Doon niya ini-invest yung pera natin, generate ng returns, pass back to the investor. No, sa Bisaya pa, dawat lang taglimpyo, di ba? So, and of course, na very important itong mutual funds na ito, especially if we're busy with our careers, no? So, kaya dito po yung mga examples ng mga investment institution na nagbibigay ng mga 8 to 12% return. So, rather than putting our money in the bank na maliit lang yung interest, why not put it in the mutual fund? So, we need also to understand na itong mutual fund and stock market investing na ito are intended for long term, no? Like, for our long-term goals like kids' college education, retirement. So, hindi po siya recommended for like kailangan natin kunin agad. Kasi if you want to withdraw our money right away, then just put it in the bank and that would for your emergency fund. So again, investment for long term, for short term, that's for emergency fund. So here in IMG, we teach people investing in stock market could be a good option for your long-term goal. However, hindi po naman po investment company si IMG community, pero financial educator lang tayo. Pero we do have a lot of partner companies na fund manager. So that's why if you become a member of the community dito sa IMG, meron kang sariling portal, members page na sarili mong portal wherein nakikita natin na monitor yung ating portfolio online. So ito si Soldevo Fund is an example of fund manager. So if lahat ng mga members ng IMG meron sariling investment. So and then pwede kang mag-add minimum of 20 pesos. So instead of putting your money in the bank or putting your money in the alcancía na walang tubo, no, why not buy shares? No, for example, ito 1,000 share, no, 1,000 pesos. Na example, yung kanyang price per share net asset value is 0.60. So 1,000 divided by 0.60, nakabili siya ng 1.6 shares. Right? So if ever naging mura yung ano niya, naging mura yung kanyang price per share, naging 0.5, so bumili ka ng malaki, 'di ba? So kagaya ng pag bibili ng gasolina, doon tayo bibili ng marami kapag mura yung per liter ng gasolina. Same with the stock market, we buy a lot of shares when the stock market is on sale, and then we just buy enough shares. Bili pa rin tayo ng enough shares even if mahal, pero konti lang na shares. So we need to understand how it works. And if ever, like for example, current now, for example, August example is 0.67 per share. Now, what if next year yung price per share ng mutual fund magiging 1 peso? So, 'di ba? So meron kang tubo sa investment mo. Kaya based on statistical data, for the past 25 years, yung mutual fund stock market, nag-i-end talaga siya ng average 8 to 12% a year. So why not start saving for your long-term goals and become a stock market mutual fund investor by becoming a member of the IMG community. So if you want to learn more about this, you may ask the person who invited you. All right. So Yan, that's the second concept, rule of 72. And let's move to the next concept, which is ito pong solid financial foundation. So ito po yung pinaka-main concept na tinuturo ng ating community, wherein tinuturuan natin ang bawat Pilipino na i-solidify yung pagpundar ng kanyang financial planning. Kasi po, nakarinig na tayo ng maraming story na isang family na mayaman noon, pero ngayon bakit biglang naging na-bankrupt sila or naging na mahirap, no? So siguro naka-build sila ng financial foundation pero hindi po solid. So in order to build a financial foundation na solid, like building a house, we need to build it from the ground and up. So build it right, build it strong. So according to our training, we need to increase our cash flow. Magkaroon tayo ng maraming sources of income para makapag-ipon tayo. And first priority, to have health care. If we are the breadwinner, we need to protect our income through life insurance, eliminate our debt, save emergency fund before we invest. So, hindi po yan the other way around. Again, from the ground and up. But a lot of Filipinos are not doing it the right way, and we can't blame them kasi po wala nang po nakapagturo po sa atin. So, kadalasan sa Pinoy, inuuna yung rooftop, nag-i-invest agad, no? Kapag nagkapera, bili ng bahay, pa-renovate ng bahay, bili ng sasakyan, bili ng maraming lupa, no? And then mag-invest sa mga gamit, mga gadgets, mga appliances. So there's nothing wrong with having lots of investment. Pero nakarinig na tayo ng maraming instances, no, na lupa na kailangan isanla, bahay na nabenta, or yung laptop na nasanla or yung alahas na rimata, 'di ba? So parang ganoon. So yung investments na na-build natin hindi na protect, ang kadalasan sa cost kung bakit nabibenta, reason for selling, emergency, no? Kapag mayroong emergency tapos wala tayong emergency fund, yung ating pinaghirapang investment yun yung ating mapupull out. Hindi po siya mapoprotect. So according to our book, we need to save emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of our monthly income should be saved in the bank. Yan. And then, if we have utang, we need to pay our debts slowly kasi yung utang natin marami yung interest rate, no? So para tayong nalagay ng tubig sa balde na maraming butas, hindi mapupuno kasi interest on debts are like leaks that drains our finances. Kaya priority pala muna na bayaran yung mga utang natin before tayo mag-level up with our financial foundation, right? And then maraming mga tao na walang utang, merong konting savings sa emergency funds, and then merong investment, pero yung breadwinner, yung main source of income, what if kinuha siya ni Lord, kailangan palang meron siyang life insurance. So otherwise, mag-stop yung income ng family, yung napundar sa taas, posible din siya naguguho, di ba? So kailangan i-protect yung income kasi that would catch the responsibility. Yung breadwinner, nawala sa mundo pero covered siya ng 10 million insurance. So hindi makakautang ulit yung family nila kasi na-protect yung needs na responsibility na naiwan, right? And then, pinaka-importante na ito na kadalasang nakakaligtaan ng bawat Pilipino, healthcare, no? So, magkaiba yung life insurance at healthcare kasi yung life insurance namatay po tayo, kinuha tayo ni Lord, no? Wag naman sana. Healthcare on the other hand is hospitalization. And according to our book, one sickness can wipe out all our investments, guys, no? The number one cause of personal bankruptcy is healthcare. Kaya kailangan talaga, guys, na pagbigyan natin ito ng priority. Kailangan tayo mag-save for healthcare kasi yan yung babawi sa lahat ng pinaghirapan natin in the future kapag nagkasakit tayo at hindi natin napaghandaan. So, and of course, increase our cash flow to make these things possible po here itong sa financial foundation. No? So, according to statistics, maraming Pinoy na nanalo sa loto, pero 70% ng mga nanalo sa loto, bumalik sa pagiging mahirap ulit kasi hindi nila alam kung saan ilalagay yung pera nila. So, ngayon po, financially educated na tayo. So, at least we can use this guide as a priority of our fund allocation. May pera tayo, ano ba yung dapat unahin natin? So again, invest in yung mga assets na magbibigay ng more income, and then have healthcare, have life insurance, eliminate our debts, have emergency fund before we invest. So that way, whatever is the financial setback or challenge na dumating sa buhay natin, hindi masasayang lahat po ng natin, yung pinaghirapan po natin. Kasi po, we are prepared and our financial foundation is strong. So that's why here in the IMG community, ito po yung main concept na tinuturo po namin. No? I'm not saying na kaming lahat dito sa community na strong na yung foundation po namin. Hindi pa po. So we are work in progress, di ba? So at least slowly but surely, guided tayo kung paano natin i-manage at pagdesisyonan yung ating financial future, yung ating financial situation through this concept ng financial foundation. So dito sa IMG, no, hindi naman po kami insurance company, hindi kami healthcare company, hindi kami investment company. We don't have any products, but we are just a community of savers and investors na nagtuturo about this. However, useless naman po yung ating pag-attend ng mga financial class na hindi natin ma-apply yung ating natutunan. Kaya we do have recommended partners in the mission. So our partners in the mission, so tayo po ito, no? As a member ng IMG community, we do have direct access sa ating mga partners. So if you notice, itong mga categories ng partner companies natin is aligned sa financial foundation, healthcare, life insurance, investment, real estate are solid investment. You want a house and lot, no, condominium, general insurance, allied financial services. So yung mga partners po natin, one-stop shop po tayo sa ating financial needs. So napakarami nating pwedeng makakuha tayo ng mga preferred rates, discounted rates, no, benefits of being a member of the IMG community, no. So kaya po we encourage you to become part of our organization. But of course, no, napakarami naman po tayong partner. So ano ba yung dapat natin unahin, no? Especially first time investor po tayo. So dito tayo sa kumuha tayo ng healthcare, no? Kasi yan po yung first step, no, with regards to our pagbe-build ng financial foundation natin. So yan po. But good news po tayo kasi meron tayong partner company sa healthcare which is ito si Kaiser, no? But the good news is ito si Kaiser is an all-in-one plan. Although yung kanyang license sa Insurance Commission is healthcare, pero maganda dito sa Kaiser kasi it covers the three major financial needs. You hit a lot of birds in one stone by just starting your savings program with Kaiser all-in-one long-term care. So, kasi si Kaiser healthcare siya, meron siyang insurance and investment at the same time. At yung healthcare ni Kaiser, long-term. Dalawa po kasi yung klase ng healthcare. Meron tayong short-term. Like for example, yung PhilHealth is an example of short-term. Bakit short-term yan? Kasi hindi naman po siya mag-cover sa atin, makastop tayo ng 1 quarter, wala tayong coverage. Tapos kapag contribute tayo sa PhilHealth for so many years, wala na mababalik kahit piso kapag hindi natin nagamit yon, diba? So, I'm not saying PhilHealth is bad, that's good. But if you want a healthcare with a better value of money, long-term po tayo. Kasi yung mga short-term na yan, we only pay for that year. Parang disposable ba? Like, yung iba merong healthcare free sa company. Like, nagtatrabaho ka sa call center, free yung healthcare. Pero kapag umalis na tayo doon or nag-resign tayo, hindi natin madadala kasi short-term niya nga yung healthcare natin, diba? So, meron din iba na nagbabayad ng individual short term. Like, for example, nagbayad tayo for this year, tapos hindi tayo nagkasakit, bayad na naman ulit tayo next year. So, disposable na yung nabayad natin the previous year. Whereas sa long-term healthcare, meron ka lang specific time na magsisave for that, but then you will get covered with your hospitalization lifetime. No? Covers hospitalization even beyond age 60. No? Kahit senior citizen na tayo, no? Like kagaya ng mga western countries like sa US, sa Canada, no, covered sila ng healthcare po kasi during their early stages of their lives, nag-save sila ng healthcare. Tapos, during the time na nag-retire sila, nag-mature yung kanyang healthcare na na-save, that would be enough to provide for their hospitalization needs, afford nilang magbayad ng caregiver, no? Nakakapagbayad sila ng magagandang hospital kasi po, they are covered with long-term healthcare. So, kung gusto nyo ng healthcare, long-term na lang po yung kunin natin kasi hindi sayang lahat ng ano natin, pinaghirapan natin or inipon natin. Kasi nga po, yung kadalasan sa mga sakit natin, hindi siya lumalabas po during early stages. Doon na tayo during retirement. And of course, no, life insurance also, healthcare nga si Kaiser, healthcare si Kaiser, pero meron din siyang life insurance. Meron din matatanggap yung family in case na kinuha ni Lord yung plan holder po. And of course, yung maganda, if hindi tayo nagkasakit, ang hindi tayo kinuha ni Lord, automatic yung ating ipon, in-invest po siya ng fund managers sa mutual fund and stock market na nagbibigay sa atin ng pre-computed amount na 10%. Better than putting your money in the bank. Now, sa bangko po kasi, maliit lang yung interest, kasi 1%, or mag-ipon ka sa alkansiya, walang tubo. So, dito na lang natin iipon sa Kaiser Long-Term Care, covered pa tayo ng healthcare hospitalization lifetime, meron pa tayong insurance, at the same time, meron pa tayong investment na tumutubo, no? Habang sa pagtakbo ng panahon, no? So tumutubo siya. By the time na mag-mature na yung plan natin, pwede nating kunin yung ating savings and investing. I-harvest po natin yung tinanim po natin. So that's why ito po yung pinakamagandang starting investment para sa first-time investor. Now, to discuss about the design of this plan, we do have a lot of plans available, but for the sake of example, so all-in-one savings program, we do have one person here, age 22, no? Nag-start siya ng kanyang Kaiser Healthcare 22 years old. So si Kaiser Healthcare, we need only to save for 7 years. After that, fully paid na yung plan natin, which is good, no? Yung iba nga, lifetime nagbabayad eh. Yung iba, 10 years, 20 years. So dito sa Kaiser, 7 years of saving. Once we fully paid the first year, covered na po tayo ng hospitalization yan. And if ever hindi tayo nagkasakit, pwede pa natin gamitin for annual check-up and dental benefits. So yan po sa healthcare na side. With regards to the limit, no benefit limit of the plan, depende sa plan na kukunin. Kasi merong plan na medyo more expensive, so mas malaki yung kanyang coverage. Meron ding plan na medyo cheaper lang, so lesser din yung kanyang coverage. And of course, sa insurance na side, let's say 2 years pa nag-ipon si plan holder, kinuha ni Lord, wag naman sana. So yung mangyayari po, itong entire plan ng Kaiser niya, mamanahin ng kanyang beneficiary. And kung mayroon pang mga years na hindi pa nabayaran, fully paid na po yan na mamanahin ng beneficiary. On top of that, makakatanggap si beneficiary ng cash proceeds ng kanyang insurance na side. No? And with regards to how much yung kanyang matatanggap na insurance, depende nga po sa plan na kukunin po ng plan holder. But for the sake of example, here's a 22 years old, nag-save siya ng K100 plan. K100 plan is 58,000 yung kanyang yearly na savings. Let's say natapos niya times 7 years, yung kanyang total na naipon in 7 years, 411,000. After 7 years, fully paid na. So hindi na siya magpapatuloy na magbayad kasi fully paid na. And then during the time, 7 years of saving, minimum of 13 years, ini-invest po yung kanyang 400,000 doon sa stock market, minimum of 13 years growing period, tumutubo po siya, guaranteed savings per computed is 10%. 7 plus 13, 20 years in total maturity. So as you notice, 411,000 lang yung kanyang savings because of compounding interest over 13 years. During maturity, after 20 years, yung kanyang pera naging 1.1 million. So 3 times, almost 3 times ng kanyang naipon, yun po yung kanyang iha-harvest during maturity. And during the maturity period, let's say, you have an option, a lot of settlement options na pwede mong gawin. Number 1, you can get all your money back. But of course, if we get all our money back, mako-close yung plan natin. Pwedeng half lang yung kunin, pwedeng ipagpatuloy din. For example, age 42, hindi pa niya kailangan kasi healthy pa naman siya, wala pa siyang sakit, no? And then, may trabaho pa siya, for example lang. So, pinagpatuloy niya during retirement. At age 65, nag-compound yung kanyang pera. At age retirement, 65, meron siyang 10 million retirement savings or healthcare. Pwede itong savings na to gamitin kapag nagkasakit, pwede din kunin as cash kasi good as cash po yan kasi investment po natin yan during retirement. So imagine, no, hindi tayo magiging pabigat sa pamilya natin kasi nakapag-prepare po tayo for our retirement. So if you want to check out, no, kung ano yung mga plans na fit sa age po natin, ito po yung ating sample chart. So yung ating pinakita kanina is recommended option, which is itong K100 po, kasi ito lang po yung nagsisimulang mag-mature ng 1 million yung ating savings program. Anything lower than K100, of course, lesser than lang din po yung kanyang maturity. So K100 plan is around 5,000 yung kanyang monthly. So if you pay it monthly, times 12 months, I think mga 70,000 plus yung babayaran mo in a year. But the good thing, if you pay annual or yearly, you will save 2 months. Times 10 lang po. So parang 10 months na yung binayaran natin. In 7 years, we can save 14 months in total kapag yearly or annual po yung plan na pinili po natin. But of course, if hindi natin mabigat pa sa bulsa, then there are a lot of lower options. Ito meron tag 4,000, meron tag 3,000, meron tag 2,000. Depende po sa age natin. So 10 to 40 years old, meron tayong minimum dito K45. If 41 na tayo, K60 na tayo yung 3,000 yung monthly. And of course, if you want higher coverage, like for example, eto 1.1 million maturity. If you want 2 million, then we have a higher option din. Depende din po sa budget po natin. Depende sa kung ano sa tingin natin yung deserve natin during retirement. So, kailangan talaga natin yung pagdesisyonan, guys. No? So, a lot of you may say na, uy, it's easier said than done. Marami pa akong babayaran and so on and so forth. No, I understand how you feel. I felt the same way because I was you 10 years ago when I started my own savings. But guys, naisip ko na galing ako sa simpleng pamilya lang, wala akong maiiwan sa pamilya ko, kaya kailangan ko talagang magdesisyon, gumawa, make something today that my future self would thank me for. So that's why after um years of saving, I already fully paid my plan. So, guys, no, yung 7 taon na yan, napakabilis lang yan. No, time will just pass by so quickly. Kaya I encourage you to get started now kasi kapag hindi kayo nag-start ngayon, yung pera nyo, mauubos lang din yan, magagastos sa, hindi natin alam kung saan napunta, di ba? So, what if you save something that your kids, your family would inherit in the future? So, once you fully pay your plan, you will receive your certificate of full payment. So, I already fully paid mine and I am now saving for my second plan. So, so far, so good. Now, if you haven't started yet, get started now. So, for your family and for your future. So, yung ating pong brand ambassador ng Kaiser is si Daniel Padilla po. Kasi po, yung tagline ng ating Kaiser na sa'yo na ang lahat. Kasi whatever happens to us, no, magkasakit tayo, meron tayong pampa-ospital, kinuha tayo ni Lord, merong maiiwan sa family natin, humaba yung buhay natin. Praise the Lord, hallelujah, kasi meron tayong mas malaking investment na hihintayin in the future. So wala kang lugi dito, wala kang sayang na pera dito sa Kaiser kasi nasa Kaiser na po ang lahat. So if you want to get your proposal, you may ask the person who invited you. So again, dito sa IMG, it's not enough that we are financial education. We conduct seminars and trainings. We conduct financial education drive, big crowds, big events. Pero if hindi mo in-apply yung natutunan mo, so para lang useless lang din siya. Parang tayong seminarista, no? Nag-seminar lang tayo, hindi na bago yung buhay po natin. So the action plan that we would recommend for you is to become part of our community dito sa IMG po. Kasi po, napaka-importante yung influence ng isang environment po sa ating financial future. Kasi nga sabi nila, you are the average of the 5 people you're with most of the time, no? Kung yung mga kasama natin palagi magastos, palaging gumigimik, mga gastador, mga palautang, we will also become like them. But we become part of a community of savers and investors. Our future is clearer, our direction is better. So that's why you need to really decide now for yourself. So how much is the membership, the IMG community? 6,000 pesos lang po one time, and this may change your life, no? How many 6,000 pesos have gone by to your hands, no? Pinaggastos na natin panghanda sa birthday, no? Pinakain sa lechon, just one day event, hindi naman nabago yung buhay natin. Dito, once you become a member, one-time membership, 6,000 pesos, meron ka ng sariling portfolio online mutual fund account mo, yung sa stock market na pwede mo pag-ipunan, minimum of 20 pesos pwede kang magdagdag, covered ka ng 100,000 accident insurance, and then memorial funds worth 50,000 na hindi mo na kailangan mag-monthly, right? Kasi sa ibang company na mga memorial plan, kailangan nyo magbayad monthly. Dito, one time lang po. And if you become a member, the person who invited you wouldn't earn a single centavo out of your 6,000. Kasi we are not a networking company. We don't earn in recruits. If you become part of the IMG community, that's for your own good. Welcome, no? And of course, I'm excited for your future. Now, however, we do have an entrepreneurship side dito sa IMG din na pwede din tayong kumita, hindi sa pagre-recruit po, but by becoming an associate member. So, paano po ba maging associate member? 6,000 membership natin sa IMG, kuha tayo ng Kaiser, at kapag meron kang Kaiser Healthcare, yung ating partner company, bibigyan ka ni Kaiser ng accreditation na i-share din sa iba yung kanilang product, at kapag meron kang natulungan na mag-ipon ng Kaiser, bibigyan ka ni Kaiser ng referral commission. Kaya po kapag marami kang natulungan, pwedeng maging libre yung sarili mong savings, and if mas marami ka pang natulungan, mas malaki pa yung pwede mong kitain na pwede mo maging additional source of income, guys. Kasi ngayon po na mahirap yung buhay, depending on one source of income is not enough. Kaya kailangan natin meron tayong additional rocket or mga ano natin, mga anong hustle on our spare time, no, para po mag-increase yung ating cash flow, para mas makabilis tayo na makapag-build ng ating financial foundation by becoming an associate member. And if you become an associate member, you will have a financial educator career on a brokerage business. And on top of that, you will have a lot of benefits, financial education benefits. So marami kang access sa mga trainings and workshops para kang nag-enroll ng one time sa isang school of financial education. Kasi po kapag nag-aral ka ng financial literacy outside IMG, no, hindi po enough yung 6,000 na yan, no? Kukulangin yan. Kaya kapag naging member ka, lifetime enrollment of financial education. Discounts, access and discounts or partner company, yung memorial na 50,000, personal accident insurance, free eyeglasses, free checkup, a lot of freebies on discounts for non-life insurance. Kapag meron kang car insurance, pwede kang mag-renew sa sarili mo para kang maging broker ng sarili mo with discounted rates. On top of that, you will earn referral commission not only for non-life insurance, real estate as well. Partner natin yung SM, Ayala, the MCI. You can get free legal assistance, discounts if you purchase a car, asset preservation services. This will be discussed to you by the person who invited you, no? And then yung details nitong mga benefits na ito. And for international members, no, mga OFW, you do have worldwide protection coverage, no, 500,000, no, accidental death, and so on and so forth. Repatriation benefit, no, in kaso po merong nangyari sa OFW outside country, yung papapadala ng kanyang dead body dito sa Pinas, that's repatriation benefit. Covered po yan ng membership ng IMG. Kaya mas maganda po OFW, mag-member po tayo dito sa IMG community. Kaya nga sinusulong po ito ni Senator Raffy Tulfo. Kaya kasi po yung mga OFW na yan, wala masyadong benefit, no, sa kanilang pag-abroad. Kaya ito pong IMG community baka po makatulong sa kanila. So of course, you know, everyone is welcome to join the IMG community. And of course, if you do the IMG career, you will be in the financial industry. You own a business. What's your business? You are a financial educator po. So you own your time. Ito yung maganda kasi you can start it part-time, no guys? No? When I started IMG, I had also work full-time, but then during my spare time, I share financial education. Ganun lang kasimple. I-convince mo lang yung mga friends mo na mag-ipon. Ganun lang kasimple yung ating career po dito. And yung maganda, online system. Wherever you are in the world, you can sign up as a member. You can start saving Kaiser anytime, anywhere. And the best of this business, you can help a lot of families, guys, no? So imagine yung negosyo mo, pinapaipon mo yung kaibigan mo, and then nagkasakit siya, hindi siya na problema sa hospitalization. Humaba yung buhay niya, nag-retire siya na merong millions sa kanyang investment. So, you can never go wrong when you are in the business of teaching people on saving money. So, your life is full of purpose if you become part of the IMG community. On top of that, you are rewarded, you know, the rewards that you cannot imagine, free travel. No, in fact, there are IMG members who qualified for the Dubai trip right now. No, next month we will be going to Japan. The month after, meron na ulit travel. So napakaganda, maraming rewards. You can also get promoted, get promotion pins, yung watch, yung mga sing-sing, yung free cars, and then ito yung maganda, free healthcare. Kapag meron kang maraming clients sa Kaiser, bibigyan ka ni Kaiser ng libreng short term. So in other words, kapag nagkasakit ka the following year, covered ka ng short term healthcare, hindi mo magagamit yung long term healthcare mo kasi meron kang libreng short term. Wala kang babayaran yan dyan kahit piso. Reward po yan sa of course, sa paggawa natin ng mission and advocacy on financial education. Napakasimple lang. Ipa-attend mo lang yung mga friends mo ng financial classes, turuan mo silang mag-ipon, and you will be blessed in return po. So yan. And of course, we do have a lot of online tools available. So if you become a member, we do have a lot of trainings and workshops, no, about how to maximize po itong mga libreng tools na binigay ng ating IMG community. And if you are looking for the income potential, ito po. So of course, associate is the first level. Now you will become an associate if you join and own and you share. So Kaiser, we're gonna give you 20% referral incentive. For example, you have a friend na nag-ipon ng 30,000 times 20%, you earn 6,000. And if you get promoted, posible pa mag-increase ng ating pwedeng ma-income. No? Like, if you become a marketing director, no, 37% po. And if you become a senior marketing director, 47%. So, saan po ba ikukunan itong mga percentage na ito? Doon po sa Kaiser savings na kukunan ng ating friend. No? For example, mag-ipon siya ng K100 monthly, 20% ng 5,000 is around mga 1,000. Right? And then, If annual naman, mga 10,000. What if yung friend natin nag-ipon ng malaking plan and then mas malaki po yung pwede mong ma-earn. And of course, itong commissions natin, maliit lang naman yan na chunk compared doon sa maturity value or retirement money na kukunin ng ating friends. So para lang yan na pasalamat sa iyo kasi ikaw yung nagdala sa kanya, nag-convince sa kanya na mag-ipon for his or her future. So napakagandang advocacy po talaga itong IMG community. Kaya we encourage you to become part of our organization, guys, no? Kasi this might be the answer to your prayers. Yung tagline po natin, total financial solution. Nasa IMG na ang lahat. Kasi po, we offer financial education. Sa concept pa lang na natutunan nyo ngayon, X-Curve, Rule of 72, Solid Financial Foundation. I know deep inside my heart that you learned a lot. You learned something out of that. Now, how much more if you become a member of the IMG community? Mas marami pa kayong matututunan, guys. And of course, education without execution is useless. So we do have application, and when you want to apply what you have learned, we have partner company ready for you to get started, get Kaiser, start your mutual fund investment, and so on and so forth. And then of course, if kulang yung ating budget, meron pa din kaming solusyon dyan. We do offer entrepreneurship platform by becoming a financial educator, earn income for every person that you have helped, no? And for every person that you converted from a saver to become from a spender to become a saver to become an investor. And of course, lastly, IMG is a mission. You change a lot of lives. Imagine you are an instrument of change to the friend, to the person that you bring into this community. Pinabuti mo yung kanyang financial life for his or her family. Imagine yung indulhensya natin sa mundong ibabaw kapag marami tayong taong natulungan. And itong IMG na ito, this is what the world needs. So that's why mission, financial education is a mission. So that's why we are excited for you to become part of our IMG community. And if you want to get started, you just have to fill up a form and then provide your valid ID. And then in fact, right after watching this talk, no, you can sign up right away and our checkout options. You can pay in cash, online bank transfer direct to the ING bank accounts, no, or over-the-counter deposit. You can pay a credit card, video bills payment, Palawan bills payment. You can get started right away and then start your journey to financial independence. Kasi nga po, I'm closing my talk with this quote here: financial education is not just for the wealthy, it's for everyone. Maraming buhay na po yung nabago dito sa IMG. So, this has been Rose and my husband, Kenneth. I'm not saying that we're already there with our financial goals, but life is way, way, way better that we are part of the IMG community. Na fully paid na namin yung aming Kaiser plan, yung aming mutual fund, nagamit na namin pagpapatayo ng sariling bahay namin. We have a sustainable business. We can, we are independent as a family. We can provide for our own bills. We can pay for our own bills. And we have a good business, an exciting career, an exciting cause, giving our lives full of purpose. Kaya, I'm excited for you to be part of this IMG community and journey with us, no, in our organization. This has been Rose Sardido, and to contact me, you can contact me on my mobile, my email, on my page, no, website, and my Facebook, and of course our office, IMG Tagbilaran, no, Financial Center. Thank you so much, and I hope you learned a lot from this class. And I encourage you to get started. No, I encourage you to get started. I'm excited for your future. God bless po. Thank you so much po.